Welcome! If you want to keep your Discord server safe and welcoming, setting the right moderation level is essential. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to set your server's moderation level to medium. This is a great way to balance security while still making it easy for new members to join your community. First, open the Discord app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, head over to your server. You can find your server in the list on the left side of the screen. Tap on your server to open it. At the top of your server window, you'll see either the three dots icon or your server's name. Tap on this to open the Server Options menu. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to your server's settings page, where you can control everything from roles to moderation tools. Scroll down and look for the Moderation section. Tap on Moderation to open up the moderation settings. Inside the Moderation menu, you'll see several verification levels. Choose Medium. With Medium selected, new users will need to have had their Discord account for at least 5 minutes before they can chat in your server. This simple step helps keep out spam accounts and bots, making your community safer and more enjoyable for everyone. Don't forget to save your changes before you exit the settings. That's it. Your server is now set to medium moderation. Setting the moderation level to medium is recommended for most community servers. It offers a good balance, keeping out troublemakers without making it too difficult for genuine new members to join the conversation. If you want even stronger protection, you can always explore higher verification levels or enable additional safety features like explicit content filtering. But for most servers, medium is the perfect starting point. Thanks for watching. Now your Discord server is better protected and your community can grow in a safer environment. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tips for building a thriving Discord community.